Y'all already know F82 M4s, F80 M3s, they are absolutely clapped when you're buying used in this year of 2026. But for me, I picked up this lovely beauty only a few months ago, not clapped, crank up done. We are going to look at all the mods that are on it. I've only done a few mods, and the previous owner has obviously done a few mods as well, but both of us mature individuals did not clap the car out. So let's take a look at what has been done on this beautiful Yas Marina Blue M4. First of all, the lighting in this garage is absolutely peak. I think everyone dreams of having a nice black wall garage with the beautiful ground and the lighting of the hexagon lights. But let's take a look at the exterior here. The car is off. We will start off with the stance and the wheels. Now, if I go down here, we are lowered on eye-box springs. This is not one of those super expensive lowering things. This is just those static springs, couple $100. I think it was 200. Bought it on Facebook or TikTok from a guy that makes content on there. And then these are ML10RTs, Apex wheels. I can't remember the specs, but I pretty much copied what they had on the website. Now, I got this during the Black Friday sale, so I think it cost around $3K for the whole set. So not too expensive. And then on the smaller parts here of, I guess, exterior mods, clear reflectors because I have a chrome black type of thing going on here. The lip, this is kind of just stock, everything. Little bit scratched there from the previous owner. It's all right. Let me actually turn on the car real quick. So we have the yellow DRLs. You can't see it right now because I actually have to turn on the car in auto. Give me 1 second. So I'll open the car here. I gotta go to auto. Otherwise it won't show it. All right, let's go back here. These are the aftermarket icons, so they're not like OEM. Let me lock it and then unlock it. There you go. Look at that. Oh my God. So obviously it's blinding me because the auto, but just wait a few seconds and you'll see the yellow DRLs. That's what we're here for. Beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. And I got the stock one still, the OEM, so I can always replace it if I want. Let's take a look here. Obviously this is Yas Marina Blue, stock color, tinted windows, I think like 10 or 15%. Carbon fiber roof. It's got the duckbill. This is from the previous owner. I don't really mind it too much. Chrome badging, and you see the license plate. Try to do a blue one, Yas blue, to match the blue. Nevada, they got a nice blue license plate. And I would say the last part are these Alibaba exhausts. Obviously not the greatest, but it sounds decent, and the previous owner installed them, so I'm not too worried about it. But I believe that's pretty much all the exterior mods. I haven't done anything too crazy. It's OEM plus. And if we take a look at the interior, I'm gonna sit in here. So the previous owner, they got this like aftermarket steering wheel. It's got like blue accents and everything, so I'm not too mad about it. And then in terms of the interior here, I mean, it's full extended leather Silverstone, which is definitely a rare spec. Haven't really done much to the inside. I'd say the only mod really is there is GPS here. There's CarPlay. It's not on right now, but you don't have CarPlay when you just buy the car. So previous owner installed it, probably cost him a few $100. Connects to Bluetooth, super easy and convenient. And then I'd say over here, let me close the door. This is the only other thing. Pretty much I had the sticky door handles, so if you touch this with your hand before, you'd get like that black residue on your hand. But the mod I did was a $10 Amazon little fake carbon fiber thing. It doesn't really matter. I mean, no one really notices. It's just the driver's seat, but I don't have sticky handles and it kind of blends in seamlessly. So that's another mod. And like I said with the steering wheel, it is definitely not stock, and it has these magnetic paddle shifters, which actually feel better, I think, than the stock ones. And then lastly, I'm not going to open the hood, but the crank hub is done with receipts from the previous owner. So I feel very lucky because if y'all know F80 platforms, pretty much the crank hub is the main thing you want done. This car has around 70,000 miles, 2015 model, and I bought it for like $33,000 on Facebook Marketplace. So overall, that's all the mods. It's not that crazy, not that complex. I wanted an OEM plus look with the aftermarket wheels. Got the chrome, blue, and black going on. And overall, it's just a beautiful car. I forgot to mention, it's also on a stage 1 tune. BM3 mod, right? Or boot mode. I have that app installed, pretty much plug and play, super easy. The only thing done really is that it's a little faster and I got some burbles, but other than that, I don't really care about doing it too much. I don't care about the speed. I want it to look good, clean, and be decently reliable as a daily driver. But that's all the mods I have on this. I'm not gonna do anything else. This is pretty much as ideal as I want it. From the previous owner, it was 90% done. I just bought the wheels, lowered it a bit, and pretty much that finishes the look. What do you guys think about the mods on my F82 M4? Hope you guys like it. Keep a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see some more car content. Let's freaking go, guys.